Hey guys, welcome to Wisdom Thoughts. If you're looking for relaxing stories and real tips to improve your sleep, you're in the perfect place. Get comfy, take a deep breath, and let's unwind together. Tonight, you'll hear the story of Jacob, a man who had everything except sleep. He tried everything except what truly worked. But in the stillness of a quiet town, and with a little help from science and nature, he found his way back to restful nights. This is not just a story, it's also your invitation to sleep. So let's start the story. Jacob was a 42-year-old software engineer in Boston. He worked late, ate late, scrolled endlessly. His bedroom had soft sheets and blackout curtains, but no peace. Just 5 more minutes, he would say every night, scrolling, checking email, falling into YouTube rabbit holes. But at night, his brain refused to rest. He would lie still for hours, his heart beat loud in his chest. Sometimes he'd fall asleep at 2, only to wake again at 4:30. His body begged for rest, but his mind didn't know how to listen. Jacob's days blurred together. He needed 3 coffees to stay awake. He forgot simple tasks, snapped at colleagues. He started canceling plans. Not out of tiredness, but fatigue, he went to the doctor. The answer: reduce your stress. He tried pills, they helped, but made him groggy. He wanted natural sleep, the kind he hadn't felt since he was a kid. One weekend, Jacob drove to his childhood home in Vermont. The town was quiet, no buses, no phone towers, just the wind and birds. His mother still lived there. When she saw his tired eyes, she said, "You need to slow down. Your brain thinks it's always daytime." That night, she gave him a cup of tart cherry tea naturally rich in melatonin, a wool blanket, a book, and no Wi-Fi password. He slept 9 hours that night. The first deep sleep in months. Back in Boston, Jacob researched why he slept so well. He found powerful science-backed habits: circadian rhythm, your internal clock that responds to light; melatonin, released when it gets dark, but blocked by phone light; temperature, cool rooms around 65 degrees Fahrenheit or 18 degrees Celsius promote deep sleep; magnesium, calms your muscles and nervous system; tryptophan, an amino acid that helps your body make serotonin then melatonin. The sleep ritual begins. Jacob made a new promise: no more battling sleep, I'll welcome it. He created a simple, natural sleep routine: 9 p.m., digital sunset. Screens off, phone in another room. He replaced scrolling with journaling, just a few lines of gratitude. 9:15 p.m., bedtime snack: a small bowl of banana slices, potassium plus tryptophan. A handful of almonds, magnesium. A spoonful of honey helps stabilize blood sugar. Sometimes, a kiwi or tart cherry tea. 9:30 p.m., wind down time. 10 p.m., lights off. Thermostat set to 65 degrees Fahrenheit. No distractions. Just silence and breath. The days that followed. By day 7, Jacob fell asleep within 20 minutes. By day 14, he no longer needed alarms. By day 21, he felt lighter physically, emotionally, spiritually. His co-workers noticed. His mum noticed. His cat Shadow curled beside him again. Sleep had returned, not as a trick, but as a gift. Let this be your night. You are not broken, you are overstimulated. Sleep is your body's right and it's closer than you think. So tonight, try what Jacob did: power down your phone. Brew a warm cup of tea, eat a few sleep-friendly foods. And breathe. Let go of the day. Let your body remember sleep is waiting. Just beyond the noise, sweet dreams. Subscribe for more calming, science-backed stories.